In astrology, the moon is the mirror of the soul. While the sun shows the essence and identity, the moon reveals the inner world, our emotions, instincts, memories, and the way we seek emotional security. It talks about how we feel, react, and take care of ourselves and others. In the birth chart, the position of the moon is essential for understanding the way we experience emotional life. It represents our childhood, our unconscious needs, and what brings us comfort. It's like the inner house we always return to when we need shelter. While the sun shows who we are when we shine out into the world, the moon shows how we feel when we are alone, in silence. It speaks of our intimate side, our vulnerabilities, and the way we connect with the past and with family. Each sign colors the moon in a particular way. The moon in Aries, for example, feels everything intensely and immediately, reacting with spontaneity. The moon in Taurus, on the other hand, seeks security, stability, and pleasure in the small rituals of everyday life. In Gemini, the moon manifests itself through curiosity and the need to share thoughts and words. The moon in Cancer finds strength in warmth, family, and affection. In Leo, it shines through the need for recognition and for experiencing emotions in a warm and expressive way. In Virgo, the moon translates into practicality and the desire to organize life in order to feel at peace. Each lunar position holds a key to understanding not only how we feel, but also how we nourish ourselves emotionally. To know your moon is to know your heart intimately.